Hello students, today we are going to study Statistics for Economics, Chapter Correlation, Part 1. Correlation is a statistical tool which studies the relationship between two variables in which change in value of one variable causes change in other variable. For example, change in price leads to change in quantity demanded. It is denoted by letter R. Correlation studies and measures the direction and intensity of relationship among variables. It measures covariation, not causation. It does not imply cause and effect relation. The presence of correlation between two variables, x and y, simply means that when the value of one variable is found to change in one direction, the value of other variable is found to change either in the same direction or in the opposite direction, but in a definite way. For simplicity, we assume here that the correlation, if it exists, is linear. That is, the relative movement of the two variables can be represented by drawing a straight line on a graph paper. Types of correlation. There are various types of correlation. Number one, positive and negative correlation. Number two, linear and non-linear correlation. Number three, simple and multiple correlation. First is positive and negative correlation. Positive correlation. Correlation is said to be positive when two variables move together in the same direction. That is, if one increases, the other also increases. If one decreases, the other also decreases. For example, sale of ice cream and temperature move in the same direction. Now, let us try to understand it through table. In the first part of table, there is simultaneous increase in both variables. Here, value of x increases from 10 to 20, 20 to 30. The value of y also increases from 100 to 200, 200 to 300. In second part of table, when value of x decreases, the value of y other decreases. That is, x decreases from 30 to 20, 20 to 10. The value of y also decreases from 300 to 200, 200 to 100. In real life, we find many variables behaving like positive correlation. For example, price and supply of a commodity, increase in height and weight, age of husband and age of wife, family income and expenditure on luxury items. As the income of family increases, its expenditure on luxury items also increases. Negative correlation. Correlation is said to be negative when two variables move in opposite direction. For example, when you spend more time in study, chances of your failure decline. For example, relationship between price and demand. This is explained through one table. That is, when value of one variable increases, the value of other decreases. Value of x increases from 10 to 20, 20 to 30. The value of y decreases from 300 to 200, 200 to 100. Some other examples are sale of woolen garments and their temperature. Price and demand of a commodity. As price increases, the demand of a commodity decreases. Similarly, yield of crops and price. Linear and non-linear correlation. Linear correlation. When two variables change in a constant proportion, it is called linear correlation. If the two sets of data bearing fixed proportion to each other are shown on a graph paper, their relationship will be indicated by a straight line. Thus, linear correlation means a straight line relationship. For example, value of x variable increases from 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8 and 8 to 10. Similarly, the value of y variable also change in definite proportion, that is 5 to 10, 10 to 15 and 15 to 20 and so on. Whereas non-linear correlation, when two variables do not change in any constant proportion, such a relationship does not form a straight line. For example, x changes from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, whereas value of y changes in the same direction but not in constant proportion. For example, 3 to 7, 7 to 12, then 18 and 25. Simple and multiple correlation. Simple correlation means the study of relationship between two variables only, like the relationship between price and demand or the relationship between money supply and price level. Multiple correlation. When the relationship among three or more than three variables is studied simultaneously, it is called multiple correlation. In case of such correlation, the entire set of independent and dependent variable is studied simultaneously. For example, effect of rainfall, temperature, water, etc. on per hectare productivity of wheat, degrees of correlation. Correlation degrees are of following types. First one, perfect correlation. When two variables change in same proportion, it is called perfect correlation. It is of two types. Perfect positive correlation. Correlation is perfectly positive when proportional change in two variables is in same direction. In this case, the coefficient of correlation is +1. Perfect negative. It is perfect negative when proportional change in two variables is in opposite direction. In this case, the value of coefficient of correlation is -1. Second is absence of correlation. When there is no relation between the variable, that is, change in one has no effect on the change in other, then those series or variable lack any correlation between them. In this case, the value of coefficient of correlation is 0. Third is limited degree of correlation. Between perfect correlation and absence of correlation, there is a situation of limited degree of correlation in real life. One mostly finds limited degree of correlation. Its coefficient is more than 0 and less than 1. That is, the degree of correlation between 0 and 1 may be rated as high when the value of correlation lies between 0.75 and 1. It is moderate when the value of correlation lies between 0.25 and 0.75, and it is low when value of correlation lies between 0 and 0.25. This is explained through a table. There is tabular presentation of degrees of correlation. Perfect correlation can be perfect positive and perfect negative. The value will be +1 in case of perfect positive and -1 in case of perfect negative. There may be limited degree of correlation. It may be high, moderate and low. And when the value of correlation is 0, that is there is no relationship between two variables. Thanks for watching.